Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, this video is going to be super beneficial for each and everybody who is seeking admission for either of the undergrad or postgrad courses at Christ University. I will be answering few frequently asked questions that I'm seeing on my comment sections I've been receiving personally, and I thought that this is the right place to answer those questions. But before I get started, I have a little request from my side. In case if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon so that you guys receive regular updates of whenever I'm uploading any new video. Also guys, if you like the content, please smash the like button because it would really validate my content. Alright guys, let's get started. But before I do that, first of all, thank you so much for the response that I've got on the personal guidance and doubt clearing sessions. I'm glad so many of you are getting in touch with me personally so that I can add value to your journey and to your process of getting into the college and the course that you want to. I hope I've been able to add value there. In case if you haven't booked your session and you genuinely want some guidance, guys, please check out the link in the description of this video. So ever since I've told you guys that 8th of December is when Christ University will release its forms for all of its undergrad courses and majority of its postgrad courses, obviously excluding MBA. The question that I've received is that do you need to fill the form on the first day of forms opening, which is 8th of December? So guys, the answer to that question is no. You do not need to fill your forms on 8th of December itself. The forms will obviously release on 8th of December, but they are going to be open for quite some time, for quite a few months, and probably you can say that this is going to be open till February or March. I will tell you guys just before when the forms are shut for the first round, but you guys can relax right now. I've received so many questions. A lot of people have been asking me that bhaiya, I have my exams going on right now, or I'm preparing for my boards, so do you really think that I need to fill the forms on 8th of December itself? Can I do it after 15th? Can I do it on the 20th? And all these questions. So the answer to all of that is that yes guys, you can do all of that. You don't need to compulsorily fill the forms on 8th of December. A lot of people have asked that, you know, if we fill it 15 days later, will we be given less priority than somebody who has filled it on 8th of December? Again, the answer to that is no guys, none of that is valid, so you guys can relax. To help you understand this further, I will want to explain you guys the multiple round system of Christ University admissions. I know a lot of people already have a fair bit of idea about this because they've been watching my previous videos, and in that I've clearly mentioned these things, but I would again want to explain that to a lot of people who are coming to my channel right now, watching these as my first few videos. So guys, basically Christ would have multiple rounds. Okay, the first round will obviously open on the 8th of December and would go on till about you guys give your boards, which is around March. Okay, so by that time everybody will fill up their forms. Okay, and then after your boards, hopefully if COVID and all that do not change the dates like last year all of that happened, so they would have the first round of admissions, wherein you would have to give your CUBT, you would have to, you know, give your interview, you would have to give your micro presentation, and immediately 4 or 5 days after that you will have your first results from Christ University. Now that's not the end of it. Christ University also has another round which is called round 2 and then round 3, wherein they would again open up these application forms. A lot of people will fill. A lot of people who genuinely desire to get into Christ University and have been rejected in the first round can also apply in the second round. Okay, and again the whole process will go. In case you do not make it in the round 2 as well, then there is round 3 too. Now the results would come out after each round and they would select, say like in BBF and IB you have about 200 seats, and they might just fill out about 100 and 120 seats in the first round, and the remaining 50-80 seats will be left in round 2, and then maybe, you know, 30-40 or 10-20 seats will be left in round 3, and that ways. Last year they also had round 4, but I highly doubt that they will have round 4 this time. Last year it was just because of COVID and a lot of changes in dates of Christ University admissions, but I guess this year they would go with like pretty sorted dates and, you know, pretty sorted process. So that's how the multiple round system works. So in case if you're not able to make it in round 1, you definitely have round 2, round 3 as well. However, round 1 is the easiest of all because, you know, you will be fighting for a lot more number of seats than in round 2 and round 3. So I hope this is clear to each one of you. In case not, you guys can definitely book up your personal guidance and doubt clearing sessions, and I can help you guys clear any doubts or questions you have regarding the same. Another question that I've got a lot is that can you apply for multiple courses? Now guys, again, the answer to that question is that yes, you guys can apply for multiple courses. In fact, I would recommend and suggest you guys, a lot of people in fact I would recommend and suggest you guys to book up for multiple courses. Why? Because right now a lot of students are genuinely confused about which course to go, so it's better to fill out forms in all the courses and see where you get admission first, number one. Number two, it is because you are hedging your risk. In case you're applying for only one course and assuming that is one of the toughest courses to get into Christ, like say BBA honors, then if you do not make it through, then you'll end up in a no man's land and you'll have to apply in round 2 again. However, if you say fill up for BBA, BBA honors and BComs and all those in the first round itself, so you will be sitting through all the process and is high likely chance that you make it at least in one course. So that is the reason. And a lot of people have asked that can I apply for a different branch of course? Yes guys, you can do that. So if you are inclined towards psychology, so you can apply for psychology. At the same time, you're confused whether you should do journalism or not, so you can apply for both, psychology as a course, journalism as a course as well. They're from different departments of Christ, you can still apply. Somebody wants to do law and they're confused whether they should do either BCom or they should do law, so you can again fill up your forms for both the courses and see which one you make it through, and then later on we can get for a personal guidance and doubt clearing session and decide which course will be generally beneficial for you, which will suit your strengths and weaknesses, and wherein you have the better chance of rising and shining. So yes guys, that's about it for this video. I hope this video has been beneficial for all you people. If you have liked this video, please guys, please don't hesitate liking this video. Comment below if you have any doubts, question, queries. Also guys, please share this channel and this video with your friends, with your classmates, put it up in your class groups, study groups, and please help this channel grow and help me get a lot more subscribers. It would mean the world to me. Last but not the least guys, you guys know the drill. Please smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you guys receive regular updates of whenever I'm uploading any new video. Also guys, please check out the link in the description below if you want to get in touch with me personally. Take care guys, bye bye.